Hello guys, today I will be using Alpha since Deereth was taken from me. Because my dumb teammates didn't let me get first pick. So RN, I'ma just be quiet. I was just chilling until this person that has no emotional intelligence attacked me. And I was just playing safe because I didn't have any damage. So when he took half of my health, I pressed the Regan button so that I can damage him later. Let me just speed this up, GNG. And this idiot attacked me. And I backed away BC, he was dealing so much damage to me. I was just clearing some minions here until this demon attacked me again. And look, I died. And when I was alive, there was a random clash. So I decided to join. Mega weak sila diapon. Wasak to Seiken. That demon asked for help. I'm alive.
Speed up lang ni Ane, kay tamad na ko. Kung may mareklamo da, sumbagon ko.
This Mia simp started attacking me. And Broski died.
Nag-intra pa rin minda ng hayop ni nga dairot, di patay. Pagkatapos patay to sa duwa nga hayop, nagkadto kami didayon sa hotel kay wala na core nila, luoy-luoy Buot kami karon kung hindi ni namon pagkwaon, pero hindi kami buot, di ginkuha. Since wala gid ya ipis, ginkwaan ko na lang iya na crab. Di pagkatapos nang himuon ko, di mag-push, ano pag himuon ko, wala naman na dayon himuon. Pati mga upod ko law ay wala gid ka push bisan sa mid bisan open space ang gina. Hayo pati sa babaw okay man na ginadumog. Pero media wala man ginadumog. Kag bag-o lang ipes nag-spawn so kwaon ko lang ni anay. Agoy, duwa sak girang minotaur naton ba? Astig nga set, pati si Mia. One v one lang anay. Lagan! Hayop ka, nagdalagan mo ng gali. Agoy, wasak inyong alpa, pati si Changa, patay kami lahat. Nice G, panalo yung kalaban.